Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here in the USA. And there you have it. We are in beautiful Maine. Day 2. We arrived yesterday. If you didn't see that vlog, please go ahead and watch that vlog. Yes, Sarah? Please go ahead and watch that vlog. You want to pee-pee? Go to Papa. Papa is in there. Sarah is coming to pee-pee. You guys. So, what's the plan for today? We're going to explore Maine today because it's our only full day here, which is today. So I'm looking forward to explore. Ask me what's on the itinerary, where we're gonna go. I have no idea. I'm just following the tour guide. You guys know that the tour guide is Babe. So Babe have the itinerary. Tyler is the assistant tour guide. So wherever Tyler and Babe lead us, that's where we shall go. But today is also extra special for me because I'll be seeing one of my high school friends that I haven't seen in over 22 years. Okay, let me give you guys a little backstory.
Can I tell them the answer after?
Okay.
After you
say hello to Faves.
Wagwan.
Alright, so let me give you a little backstory. I grew up in St. James. I started high school at Malden High School in St. James. I did 7th grade, my first year there, and my second year when I started there in 8th grade. When I finished 8th grade, my first year, when I was supposed to go in 9th grade, that summer of 8th grade, my parents broke up and a whole thing happened in my family, and we moved to Kingston not knowing that we wouldn't be going back to school that September, the new school year. So I left all my friends up and leave without saying goodbye, without nothing with anybody. So my best friend who was in my class at the time, we lost contact because I didn't have phone at the time and all those things. I couldn't find her on Facebook, and I've been searching for her for years, and thank God for YouTube. She found me on YouTube, and since she found me about probably like 3 years ago or 2 years ago, we've kept in contact and we've talked almost every day. And Shanique, you guys probably know her name, have been in my life since then. And I'm finally gonna see Shanique today because Shanique lives here in Maine with her beautiful family. Shanique have 4 kids, 1 boy, 4 girls. She's been married for over 15-16 years. With her husband. So we'll be seeing everybody today. I'll be meeting the entire family for the first time. So I'm super excited to I'm super excited to be seeing Shanique today and rekindle our years of friendship. Mama. Yes, Sarah.
Look, it's pizza.
Yes, it's pizza. Come here.
Masha, Mishka.
Come here, Sarah. Sarah, come here. Say hello to Faves.
Okay.
You're ready for the day? Very good.
Look,
okay, so that's what's happening today. So seeing Shanique today, she's on her way right now. Shanique is a late bug because we were supposed to meet up here at 10, but she's on her way though. She'll be a little bit late, so I don't know if we're gonna meet at the hotel or we're gonna meet at another spot, but either way she's on her way, and that's super excited. Anyway, you guys, so that's what's happening today. We are going to leave this hotel room and head on the road. So we'll catch you guys throughout the day, whatever it is that we'll be exploring through Maine today. Have a good day. Subscribe if it's your first time to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys throughout the day.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
There's the camera. Look who I have. Wait, let me go on that side, yeah. Look who I have. My girl of 22 years finally seen my boo-boo. Say hello to the face. Listen,
Hi.
they know you, so I need no introduction. So Shan and her entire family is here. This is Shanique. This is Jada. Jada, say hello. Oh, you guys get her to talk. It's the first I hear Jada talk since we see them. So we're exploring Portland today, and there's really nothing much in the city to do. All I'm seeing is like restaurants and stores, and I think we need to move from here and go somewhere else because I don't think there's nothing here to see much. And then you have Shanique, other two daughters, Shy Girl, Janelle, and Jody. And then you have Jamar. Let me show you guys the baby. Hi, Papa. Hi. Say hello. Look. Look, see yourself? You're touching me. Look at him touching me. Say hello. Jamar, look. Say hi. Look here. Here. Yes, there we go. Say hi. And then we have Neil. Neil, the husband. That's Shanique's husband. Anyway, you guys, we are going to go somewhere else because I'm really getting bored. We need to figure out where we need to go because I'm walking and all I'm smelling is fish, and I'm not into that life. So, what is what? Where do you see that? Oh, it's just a tour. So you have Janelle and Jody, which look very super shy. So I'll show you guys them from a distance. Anyway, you guys, babe, what were we doing? Where are we going? So let's figure out where to go, and then I'll catch you guys back in a bit. So we took a pause from the street walking and we are having lunch at, what's the name of this place? Drew something, I don't know. Tenders? This one is yours. Another one is hers. Hot, Sarah, hot. Ketchup down there. And so we're having lunch right now, and I'll tell you guys the name of the place that we're having lunch. So the kids are having tenders and fries. And I'm having lobster mac and cheese, so I'll tell you guys how that tastes after I eat it. Sarah, what's that? What's this? What's this? Hot. Yes, chicken and fries. That's a lot. Glory. Wait, did you ask? Did you ask? Put the fork down.
Please, Mama, it looks so good. Can I tell you if it's good or if it's not bad?
Yes, you can.
I got to say mac and cheese.
Okay, go ahead. Ibonia.
You want ketchup?
How is it? It's good?
Not bad, but a bit too much.
Cheese. It's okay, calm.
Mama, the things that mixed up. Fish, ham, and salmon.
Trophy. Lunch is done. Lunch was okay. Not what I was expecting, but it was okay. For me, the pasta was a little bit salty, so I couldn't eat too much of it, but I guess it's fine. I ate out the lobster though. And Sarah's sleeping. Sarah's sleeping. At least she'll get 15 minutes nap because we're on our way to another place to let the kids have some fun, and the adults too. We're on our way to a trampoline park because really we're looking for something to do, and there's not much of a family activity group thing to do in this city. So we are heading to somewhere else to find another activity to do. So we're heading to a trampoline park, so I'll catch you guys when we get there with the entire family, the entire crew. See you guys in a bit. How was your food, babe?
That was okay.
Awesome. Ty? Ty, how was your food?
Good.
Good. Star, how was your food? We jumping! Jump, Jada, jump! Yes! Sarah!
Hello, Mama.
Ah! Jump, Sarah, jump! She have to slide down our sin first. Slide, Sarah, slide! The socks is kinda make them pausing. Yay! Take up Danny, you're leaving Danny. The best time. Oh my gosh, Jada and Sarah stuck in the kids this section. They said they don't want to come out. See Sarah up there don't even know where Jada is. See Jada about to come down on the slide. Look at her. Go Jada! And Jamar is stuck on mommy, he ain't moving. Jamar, it's your turn. You went with him?
We went up there again.
Let me see if you have any use. Ah, come on. Ah. Jada, jump in, Jada. Get him, Ty. Kick him butt, Ty. Yes, Ty. Yes, Ty. Oh, baby, don't cry. It's okay. Oh, she cried. No. It's okay, Judah. It's okay. Don't cry, okay?
I'm about to cry.
It's not on the phone, Mommy. Don't cry. Jada is
just tired.
Next 10, 15 years.
No, 22 years.
Nice seeing you, man. Hope we meet again. Maybe one day we can come to France.
Yeah, one day, yes, make sure. Say bye bye,
How much hours
Tonto.
flight?
About
8 hours.
Give Auntie hug. Go give Auntie hug.
I want to do this in you.
Ah.
But you're laughing
Ty,
me. I
come
can't
on,
pick you up
hurry,
if you're
Ty.
laughing.
Maybe next time when they come, we can go hiking.
Exactly. That me I talk about. You know, see my
Today
style
they
that.
plan good. But it still turn out good.
Yes,
you know.
yes. What you want?
Some days in Acadia.
Come get that a hug.
Go up in the mountains.
Hey.
You guys 4-wheel and stuff like that?
No,
Four-wheeler?
I've never gone.
I said, Sarah, you're coming home.
Jesus, he might kill me with his big body. You guys, we're coming on to end the vlog. I just got the longest, warmest, nicest shower in life. I felt like I just wanted to stay under there and don't come out while I listen to the kids in the room making my husband go crazy.
No, honestly, they didn't do anything wrong.
No, because they're
Sometimes
playing.
you
That's
hear
why I say
them
that.
and I become crazy. But not today. I have to give the credit today. They were okay. Look at them. They give trouble, but baby trouble. And Sarah is bad.
Oh my God, Sarah is a piece
Bad.
of work.
Yes, she's looking at us right now when we say that.
Sarah is a piece of work.
Oh,
How was today?
Today was good. Today wasn't as expecting. I can say that I was expecting more of
Portland.
Yeah. So if I have to compare from yesterday was
Yesterday was amazing.
much better in terms
Yesterday
of
was
landscape,
beautiful,
in terms
yes.
of all of these things.
But
So,
Portland really
a
have
little bit
nothing.
disappointed by Portland.
If we had done the boat tour, I think we'd feel a bit more
Right.
satisfied.
Right.
But the boat tour that we wanted to do was at 3:30 and we were ready to do it at 1 o'clock. We couldn't wait
And it
around for
rained
2.5
after, so it
hours.
was- and one of the reasons why also we went in Maine, it was because I wanted her to see her friends. So that was the aim, was to spend
Right.
time.
Right, with Shanique.
Right. So
But I'm happy I got
we're
to
happy
see
about
her.
that.
Oh my
Yeah, we're
gosh.
happy about that.
I just wish we had spent more time, you know. But I got to see her after so many years, and that means a lot to me. Anyway, you guys.
So big up yourself.
Big up yourself, Shan Shan, and Janelle, and Jody, and Jada, and Jamar, and Neil. See, I got everybody name right on point.
The J family.
Yes, the J squad. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the bits that we had to show you. The trampoline park was everything. I had so much fun.
Yes, sir.
We were both in our big kid element.
For 10 minutes I was.
Done out. Tired. But it was good. Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with us on another day here in the USA on vacation. We still have long more to go, so enjoy the vlogs as they keep coming, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.